My name's Richard Hegg. I've been a service engineer for 10 years for ADT Fire and Security. My work's all regional, so I'm always close to home, so I'm not up and down the country all day and working away from home. ADT is a good company to work for because I've always got new, old equipment to work on. The company's always evolving to work on new equipment. I get all my tools, van, test equipment supplied to me. There's always development opportunities to work within the company on sales or design. I work in a team of about 10 people, so I've always got someone to give me a hand on a job if I need to, and also get a decent pension. I left school and went to college and did electrical installation, then did an apprenticeship at ADT, and then I worked in install for about 5 years. Left the company for about 2.5 years, worked for a different company. Worked up and down the country but got a bit tired of it, so I came back and been working for service for about 10 years now. So my role involves, on the previous day, I'll get a job planned in for the first job in the morning. When I get in my van, I'll open my tablet, I'll accept what jobs I need on my pin, and then I'll work throughout these jobs in the day. These jobs will range from residential, warehouses, retail, banks, and they'll range from intruder, CCTV and access. We do have our engineers all work on fire, gas suppression and lighting. The grass isn't always greener. Working up and down the country, you get to the weekend and you're a bit tired at the weekend, you lose that kind of time with your family. Since I've been back, I've been working normal hours. I'll do on-call shifts once a week or once every fortnight. So the pay's still the same, but I get to see my family more, really.